Hi, I'm Bob Swirsel. We're going to bike the Link light rail extension from Angle Lake to Federal Way downtown. I'll show you some of the stations that are currently under construction.
This is the one-line bike ride to Federal Way downtown.
Enjoy the ride.
Now entering Angle Lake. Now entering Kent Des Moines. Now entering Star Lake. Now entering Federal Way downtown.
Thank you for joining me on this ride to explore the Federal Way light rail extension. I've added a route link in the video description if you want to do this ride on your own. If you want to see more of my content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.